Okay, tickle Andrew. Go! Tickle him more. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Can you say hi? Oh, you guys are so cute. Oh, he's going night-night? Oh, you're so nice. Okay. Give him kisses. Oh. Did he get your hair? Oh, he's got you. He got you, didn't he? Did Andrew get you? Be nice. Okay, say bye-bye. No, say bye-bye to Mama.